5xy minus y cubed equals to 8. How do we find the derivative of this function? Now pay attention. The first term here is 5xy, and I can take it just like what we did for 2xy. We can also take do the same for 5xy. So I'm going to have 5, open the bracket, differentiate xy. If you differentiate xy, just like when we differentiate xy in the second question, we have x multiplied by dy dx plus y. This is what we have. I'm very sure you remember when I differentiate xy in this first question, we have x dy dx, x dy dx plus y. Just like if you use product rule, keep x constant, differentiate y, plus differentiate x now and keep y constant. Just that's it. Okay, so I'm going to have x dy over dx plus y. Okay. Now, let us differentiate negative y cubed. I'm going to have negative 3y squared dy over dx, because anytime you differentiate y, we had dy dx equals to 0. Okay, let us open the bracket. I'm going to have 5x dy over dx plus 5y minus 3y y squared dy over dx equals to 0. So 5x dy over dx minus 3y squared dy over dx equals to negative 5y. You know what I did? This positive 5y, take it to the other side of the equation, we're going to have negative 5y. So I collect like terms, 5x dy dx, both 5x dy dx and 3y squared are negative 3y squared, both of them are dy dx, so I take them together so that when I factorize, I'm just going to divide by 5x and negative 3y squared. Just pay attention, okay? What I did here was that I take this 5y to the other side, so I have negative y. So I leave this and this here. Now, factorize dy dx. I'm going to have 5x minus 3y squared equals to negative 5y. Okay, dy dx is common to this and this, so I factorize it out. The next step is to divide both sides by negative, 5x minus 3y squared. So this over 5x minus 3y squared. So dy dx will be equals to negative 5y all over 5x minus 3y squared. That is the final answer. Okay? Do you have any question? Okay, in the absence of question, let us proceed to the fourth example. We have tan xy equals to 7. How do we find the derivative of tan xy equals to 7? Just pay attention, it's simple. Now, we've done various rules. We've done various rules in our previous class. We have done chain rule, we've done quotient rule, we've done product rule, we've done logarithmic differentiation, and other rule like that. But now listen, what we're going to use here is the combination of quotient, is the combination of product rule and chain rule. You understand? That's why I said it is very important that you understand all these basic rules, because it might be given some question that combines many rules and you're asked to differentiate such function. So now here we have tan xy equals to 7. Now we are going to combine two rules to differentiate this function implicitly.